Oppah Muchinguri joins First Lady in anti-drug march. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the love by Oppah Muchinguri. Defense Minister Oppah Muchinguri Kashiri has described Tuesday's anti-drug and substance abuse march in Harare as a powerful show of unity against the growing menace of narcotics. Muchinguri said she was honored to march alongside First Lady Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, members of cabinet, provincial leaders, the mayor of Harare, and law enforcement agencies in a bid to amplify the national stance against drugs. At the center of the mobilization were young people, who Muchinguri said demonstrated courage and commitment to safeguarding their future. The youth stood at the forefront, boldly affirming their determination to confront the menace of drugs and champion the vision of a drug-free generation, she said. The event also spotlighted the Angel of Hope Rehabilitation Center in Mbeere, which has now been elevated as the national benchmark for 67 new centers to be rolled out across Zimbabwe. Muchinguri said this marks a significant step toward long-term interventions. This gathering was not simply a march. It was a resounding call to safeguard the future of our nation, she added. The march forms part of the government's broader national strategy to combat drug and substance abuse, a challenge authorities say has torn apart families and destroyed lives, especially among the youth.